Welcome back. Here we go. Another round. It's demo time. Big living room carpet install coming up. Check out what we got to work with here. We've got some good old Goldie Oldie tack strip there. I really actually like that tack strip. It's got some good pins in it, but it's a little close to the baseboard, and we're putting in a really thick carpet. We're just gonna need that tri-tack power. Over here we've got, check this out, bringing back the brass to tile. We won't be doing that again. That's coming out as well too, so stay tuned. It's about to get real pretty in here. Well, the plan was to just turn and tack that or put a Z-bar, but I want to show this. It's ceramic tile. I think it's even over plywood, but you can just see it ain't cut straight for nothing. Now we're here to lay carpet, not fix tile, so I'm going to go ahead and we're actually just going to go back with I call it a gripper metal. We're just going to put a new one in there, so, and that's fine too. But we've got everything up. Chris is just finishing up scraping staples. Check this out. We found this underneath I thought that was kind of cool. An old campaign sign. We're going to leave that. And we're going to get after it here. So stay tuned. We'll be putting tack strip down here shortly and getting the cushion down. Boom. Here we go with an update on that. So the nails, there's a plywood seam that runs right there. So those nails were, the way it was going in, they weren't holding worth a hoot. So went and just got some wood screws, hold that thing down. Let's go. Here at Steyer Flooring, we're all about heavy. 85-ounce material. And yeah, I didn't want to cut it at the shop by myself, so I just loaded up the whole roll. Chris and I are gonna snake this thing through from there to there. Guess what? It's 11.6. It's kind of a bummer. The seam's going right here in the room, but we'll get it. We'll get it pulled through there. No big deal. We can do it. But 85-ounce carpet. They're making this stuff heavy, guys. Biggity bam, let's go. Power stretching time. Should have caught in with you guys before we did the big one, but that's okay. We got our first we got the length all stretched in. I am, believe it or not, guys, I'm stretching away from all this. I definitely could have stretched to it, but I said to heck with it. I've got a long board. We're gonna put across. We're just gonna stretch everything up to that wall. So is it wrong? Is it right? Definitely not wrong, but some people might not want to do it. We'll check in with you here again once we get everything kind of wrapped up. Game on. Power stretching done. Let's get some vents on. Yeah, we use the kneeless every once in a while. Boom. We're just building walls. That's all we do. Can't have enough 2x6s. That's what I've always said. All done. We're gonna get her all vacuumed up, get them ready so they can move their furniture in tonight, and that's another one in the books. But any of you guys putting in 85-ounce carpet or anything, I'm going to say 65-ounce carpet or heavier, woo! I mean, it takes 2 men to get that into a house. That stuff is just heavy, heavy, heavy. So Chris doing a good job getting my air register thingamabobbers on. We're winning. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done. Woo! This stuff is thick. Hopefully this kind of gives you an idea. There's a lot of yarn there. So all done, all vacuumed up, ready to go. When they get home tonight, they're gonna be able to move their furniture back in and enjoy their new carpet. And another one done, on to the next one. Stay tuned. I mean, I'm making carpet exciting, everybody. Thanks again for watching.